My name is Becky Hagen-Jokela, and this is a video about your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, also known as the FCRA, is the act that regulates the collection of credit information and the access to credit reports. It ensures fairness, accuracy, and privacy of the personal information contained in the files of the credit reporting agencies. The FCRA also regulates the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Now let's talk about the rights that you have under the Fair Credit Reporting Act as a consumer. The first is that you have the right to see everything that is in your credit reports. Using the www.annualcreditreport.com, you are entitled to one free copy of your credit report from each of the three credit bureaus each year. Annualcreditreport.com is free, safe, and endorsed by the government to ensure that consumers have a way to check their reports once a year. Annualcreditreport.com gives you access to your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus. Just a reminder, most creditors do report to all three bureaus, but not always. Creditors are not required to report to all three bureaus, so it is important to look at all three reports at the same time. There are other conditions that allow you to access a free copy of your credit report. You may request a free copy if you have proof of being turned down for credit in the past 60 days, if you are unemployed and looking for work, if you have filed a report of stolen identity or credit fraud. You can also buy a copy of your credit report from any of the three bureaus at any time. But the most important thing is to keep in mind that you are entitled to a free copy of your credit report every year. The report does not include your credit score. You still have to pay for that. The second right you have under the FCRA is having an accurate credit file. If there is an error in your credit report, you have the right to ask the Bureau to investigate and remove the incorrect information. If the information is in dispute and cannot be removed, you have the right to add a line of explanation next to the item on your report. Most negative information must be removed after 7 years. Bankruptcies and judgments are listed for 10 years. But positive information can be listed forever. There is the power in this right as a consumer. This is the way we make sure that all our information is being reflected accurately. Lastly, you have the right for privacy, which means that no one can pull your credit report without your consent. You will need to sign an authorization so you will know it is being pulled. There are strict penalties for companies that pull without consent or having a signed form on file.